A new dawn shimmers across the rocky outcrop, signaling a new beginning for Malika. Isa and brother Nuru are here. Malika must stay put and do everything in her power to keep them safe. 3 weeks later, Isa and Nuru have come on leaps and bounds. They've already doubled in size and weight, so it's time to explore. Isa can't wait to see what's out there. It's a good thing the cubs are still small enough to be easily retrieved. As for Nuru, he just wants to bite into everything, including his sister's ear. Despite being a new mother, she must also resume her role as hunter. Whenever she does, she has to leave Isa and Nuru all alone, with their tangled den as their only protection. Far from ideal, but Malika's got no choice. Her persistence pays off.